All right, guys, doing a flight today. The wind's 25 gusting 30 knots out of the west. Our runway is 31, so a little bit of a crosswind, but basically just a gnarly day to fly. Nobody else is out flying, but a real good day to get experience. So we're just going to try and wrestle the thing on and off the ground, keep it safe, keep it on the center line. May not be pretty, but it's a real good day to learn how to deal with adverse conditions and strong winds.
Landings traffic, Archer 015 is departing runway 31 to the northwest. Landings. Check final. Don't be messing up my compass with that.
I'm not. It's way over here. Very, very nice. Good job. Look at that airspeed.
I just saw a bird soaring.
Why are the birds flying today? It's way too cloudy for the birds to be flying. That was good.
And ready.
See how you kept it on the runway? You built speed. You know, you were nice and smooth with the rotation, ready for any gust. Oh, that was good, kid.
Janesville Tower, Archer 56015 is 10 miles southeast, inbound for landing with Alpha.
Archer 015, Janesville Tower, report a 2-mile final, runway 32.
Report a 2-mile final for runway 32, Archer 015.
Pretty simple, right?
Yep. Janesville Tower, Archer 015 is on a 2-mile final for 32.
015 Tower, runway 32, wind 280 at 20, gusting 30, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 32, Archer 015.
Good. 280, gusting to 32.
Ay, ay, ay.
Just be in control, right in the center line, very straight, right? I really want to be in the center line. You know how to do it. Center line kick, good, good, good. Man, that was a soft landing. In these conditions, that's outstanding. Really good. Smooth, right? Because you could lose 10 knots like that in a gust. So you got to be smooth. You want to build that airspeed up, then get us climbing. Well, you got to be happy with that one.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell, folks, from home, but when it's 25 gusting to 30, 35, it's hard to fly these little airplanes. It's just throwing you all over. You got to wrestle them. You got to stay in control. Good. All right, folks, now we're back at our airport. The wind's howling, and it's a crosswind, and it's super bumpy. We're getting knocked all over the place. You can do it, kid. Fight it. On the center line, I want the nose straight. Straighten that nose. Did you see the swing?
Yeah.
That means you weren't straight, right? All right, it's a really, really hard day to fly. That was a pretty good try, actually.